Hi, this is my Rotorvent Turbo Light, and made by Colt Cowls. I just wanted to show how it's been damaged due to high wind. Here we are. You can see here where it's actually been buckled, and that's a result of wind damage. So anybody out there who's contemplating buying one of these might just want to be aware that, you know, strong winds can buckle these vents. Other than that, it did improve the draft on the flue, but as I say, because of high winds, it's completely broken it. So I have contacted Colt Cowls to see what they say about it and whether they're aware of that can happen, and I'm going to see what they say. So once I get a response, I'll post back and let you know. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.